So I'm going to. So last time we showed you how to use the HaViMo2 and all of that, and we show how it works. So I'm going to review again the camera. Also, take out all the print command. So they didn't have span same type do that. So we see if the response is better. Okay, and then we'll go into the one where we choose some color, it scans for it, and approach it. So it finds the one that you need, and then it approaches it. So as I don't remember which machine I have it on, might as well review HaViMo GUI, and let's check things. Ah, protector. Yeah. Yeah, just to check see the color there. So I have LUT is lookup table. Basically, it like color one mean because color is defined as 3 values. Color one mean that, color two mean that. So I'm on. Is it coming up? Okay. So Ubedixto, I'm port 3.
Is there such thing as like a lookup table that just specifies like RGB, like if it's like between these three, like this range, like it's yellow.
Yeah.
If it's between this range, blue, like.
Actually, let's see. One easiest way to see in here is yeah, like for example, when you're in here, up when you're designing something and some kind of tech, who knows? That's not a good one. Oh, we better than that. Yeah, even if you choose a color here, you see here, more color, so that. So each of these RGB will be mapped. This is a different map where the hue is an angle. You change different hue angle, you go around, and it's a hexagonal. It's hexagonal with like a pointy at the bottom. So this is a particular color space. You see, it's all yellow along the same color. But as you, if you have very high saturation, high light, it's kind of almost white to you because everything wash out when we're too much light. So when they are more along they're too much dark, and then they kind of look the same, kind of brownish. Only a certain range that you see them distinct. Same thing, at dusk, at night, most of the color looks the same to you, especially dark color. hmm So yeah, but that's in machine vision. We had to get to that. Let me make sure I got everything still working here. All right, I'm checking. Okay, found it. I sample it. And the thing to remember is that the light table is already saved. So if I click on this, okay, good. Look like I'm lucky. I found my old camera. My old camera robot. It's still fine. I'm okay. So I don't have to do much. Good. Just lucky, I guess. Okay. So all right. So we're good here. We're good. So we just disconnect and we don't need anymore. Okay. And then all we have to do is to load in that code. Let's see, it was just visual track first. But in the previous viewer track, we had a bunch of, let's see, color 2 was what? Green, I think. That changed to 4 was it is yellow? So let me have 4. Let's say I'm trying to track 4. Okay. And what we did is we have lots of print line. So that just slow things down. So I'm going to disable them. Is that the only place? Okay, pretty much. All right, so let's see if it's turning out good for us. COM1 CM-5. Okay, so it won't print us anything anymore anyway, so we don't need to have that. It's downloaded, right? Okay, we can unplug all this. We're gonna get into play mode. Okay, so did it look at the right one? It was a yellow 4. Oh, finally. Flickering. It looks like the light is flickering a lot. Not sure why. It's flickering a lot. It's seeing something else back there. Yeah, there's not an issue or anything. Okay, let's stop it. Let me try red and see. No, red. Let's see. From a camera point of view, look out there. Nothing. There's no red much, so maybe red or blue. We'll see. Let's see. I had red as 1, wasn't it? Okay. Okay. It may be out of its view. Oh, much better. He moved too fast out of its view already, so he can't do anything. Okay. We're tracking red better now, but it's not enough speed when it's scanning. So let's see if we can match it up a little bit better. I leave the cable on in case it's faster to change things that way. Okay. So, but now it didn't see it. Now it's in the view, and now it's adjusting. Okay. Okay. So we're good. Okay. So that's one application. The other application is find it and then get it close enough, essentially. So we're having good with red, so let's put 1 on it. So the code is pretty much the same, 100, set wheel mode. Let's go to 250, a little bit faster, maybe 200, I don't know, maybe 200. It was a bit, here is slow, pretty good, it's okay, because we can see it. Target size is 250, mean 250, 2,500 pixel, roughly for whatever it sees. And then it plays mildly, and then it's acquire the first image, wait for a second, so that it takes time to process all those regions, and then basically it's oh, it's using remote control too. So it push D, it stopped the demo essentially. But if not, it pick up a remote control signal, and whatever I do there is, oh, this is nicer now. If I push 1, mean I color red. If I push 2, I'm searching for green. Push 3 for blue, 4 for yellow. How about that? Much better interface. Okay. And then just get the bounding box again. And then min x and max I could get out of it. You find the center point, and if it's non-zero, that means it found something. Oh, it's still running. Sorry. And Alvin was wearing red, wasn't he?
Yeah.
It followed him.
Starts chasing it down.
So we don't need print anymore. So we know it's gonna work, so we print it out, so it's a little bit faster here. Okay, and then the basically it's finding plus or minus within the center, and it will stop, and then it just being to find it. Okay, if max is bigger than 1200, call backup. But if max less than target size, and max is bigger than max class, that means it found something, but the target size is bigger than the original one, and as it move up, the max last, the max is going away. The max is the newest max, and max last is the previous max. Okay, the previous from the previous image. So as long as it's less than that and it's more than that, hey, it's basically you need to move up. And you could have a near infrared. You could have used a near infrared sensor here too. Again, to get close enough to top, but we're going to strictly stay with vision here. So basically, if it's less than target size, but the newest max is bigger than the last max, well, keep on moving up. If the newest max is smaller than the last max, you probably get too close, or it's something too close, and then start going wrong, so you backed up. So if you're happy, you bust, you'll say, hey, I'm arriving there, and I break the loop. Okay? So I'll play a little song to get it down. So let's see. Pretty soon, see, kind of all see them all here. All right, let's download. See that? Let it run. So looking for red. Can you guys see red down here? Yeah, it swing around. Yeah, it found it. Pretty decent. All right. All right, let's see. So blue is on the edge here. You see a little bit of blue. Yeah, here we go. Let me put it here so that you can see it now. So blue was 2, wasn't it? Blue was 3. Yeah, blue was 3. So let it run again. Okay, I put blue. In the middle, I decided to switch to 1. It backed up. It's going over to find red now. Ain't bad, huh? Okay. So so that's about it. So I just want to show you that to wrap it up on the machine vision. And so you got job to do there. You can start doing some homework or start attacking it today. So